Hello everyone, this is Simon from SunX Energy companies in Huizhou. SunX Energy is China's leading SKD provider of the energy storage batteries for 20 years. From today on, I'm going to show SKD model. As you know, SKD means semi-lockdown. This model has been widely used by auto, solar lighting, and home appliance industry, such as Hisense and Haier in China. With the development and the strong demand of the energy storage batteries, more and more countries hope to realize production localization, and they are strong willing to use this model so that it could be matching local economy policy requirement, reducing import tariffs, saving production costs, and better solving after-sales service problems. If you are looking for SKD of the energy storage batteries, please don't hesitate to contact me. I beg your pardon for this long speech. Thank you for your attention, forwarding, and comments. Thank you very much.